Hey guys, TommyBryson here, and it kind of feels like I haven't spoken to you guys in a while. But the other day, I'm hanging around with some friends, and they're talking about homework and college and university, and I keep hearing the words Chat GPT being mentioned over and over again. And they're trying to register for something. I'm like, yo, what are you guys using Chat GPT for? Although I was pretty sure they were actually using it to have the whole thing do their homework for them. And I was like, that's pretty crazy, okay? But overall, Chat GPT allows you to basically ask questions, give it commands, and kind of responds to you in a very human-like tone. And you're actually able to get a lot of work done with ChatGPT. So I kind of had this question: could I use ChatGPT to actually make money? By the way, at this point in this video, I'm going to be calling it chat. I just cannot be bothered to keep saying GPT over and over again. But overall, can you actually use chat to actually make money on YouTube, like legit money, like run an entire YouTube channel? So in this video, we're gonna tackle that and break everything down. As always, guys, like this video on top of also subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified. Now, remember one thing, okay? Before you can make money on YouTube, there are two ways to do it. You get paid by YouTube, or for example, you use your audience to sell them things or do affiliate marketing, brand deals to actually get paid on your own in a sense. But overall, if you want to get paid by YouTube via AdSense, via showing ads on your YouTube videos, it's gonna be, for example, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours of your content that needs to be watched. So keep that in mind, okay? Now, overall, here's what I actually did with ChatGPT, okay? I downloaded the app. Yeah, there's an app now. And I asked it this one question. I was like, yo, can you make me a video script for YouTube about how to make passive income? 5 ways, okay? And it actually wrote me an entire script on how to actually make passive income. I was very impressed because most of the stuff, for example, like cut your expenses, increase your income, all these ideas like rental income and stock market and so on, I was like, these are legit ways that I would basically make a video on, okay? And I was like, did this thing just like scrape my videos or like my content and then kind of just gave me that script? I was like, it was like that good, okay? So it was actually pretty good. The beginning was actually good, it was catchy, and everything was solid. So what do I mean here? Okay, so overall, if you actually want to make a channel on YouTube, whether it's, for example, like finance or whatever topic it actually is, you could virtually just ask, for example, ChatGPT to write a script for you. And this way, once you review it, of course, you're actually able to have a fully scripted video ready for you to actually do an actual video. Well, to have a fully ready script for you to actually film a video about it. Now, you could take this a step further, and here's what I mean, okay? There's actually AI software out there, which, by the way, is very scary, because I actually heard a story where a mom got a call from her daughter, and she was like in distress, saying, hey mom, help me please, help me please. And then the guy's like, yo, I got your daughter, send me money or else it's over for her. And in reality, it really wasn't the daughter. It was just kind of like a voice, like a virtual voice, AI voice generated from her daughter. And I was like, yo, that's kind of crazy. So yeah, basically you could grab that script and plug it into AI voice software and have that script be actually verbulated or vocabulary. What do you call that thing? Okay, you grab a script and AI will actually say that script for you in a human voice, so it kind of sounds exactly like a person, and it'll say exactly what you wrote in that script, which you didn't even write in the first place. Now, this makes for great content for those videos that basically don't require a talking head like me right here. So it's kind of like, for example, you know those videos on YouTube that kind of just show pictures and stock videos, like footage, like of just random stuff, and you have like a person like voice, like narrating everything? Well, you're actually able to do this whole thing. Now, you could do this for free virtually, but if you're gonna make a business out of it, potentially you could pay for the premium version of chat, which allows you to actually have more text, and then you could actually pay for the premium version of the AI voice software, which gives you, for example, better voices and allows you to actually record even longer. Okay, so that's one way to actually go about it. Now, does this mean you can make a channel doing this? The answer is yeah, you could. Now, here are some warnings, okay? Because Chat Chat has basically been known to basically, it's not like a perfect software. So every now and then it will make up nonsense, and you do have to review exactly what it's actually doing, because you could just be spreading like misinformation out there, whether it's news. And by the way, it is biased because in reality it was coded by somebody, so it kind of means like their biases is also installed in this AI in a sense. Okay, so you got to keep that in mind. My point is, you have to do your due diligence to make sure you're not doing some nonsense. Now, by the way, I've seen people or heard about people that basically use chat to create the scripts, use another software to make sure it's not plagiarized, and then use another software to actually do the voice. And with that, they create the video content and then basically just break it down into multiple contents and basically just spread it around and make videos and make money via the ads being shown on those videos. Now, what are the things that I don't like about this? Okay, so although it is easy, the easier something is to do, the easier it is for competition to enter, and the harder is actually going to be. I always say, for example, it might be harder in the sense, for example, to actually make these videos, I have to sit down here, I have to do research, I have to read books, I have to talk to you guys, I have to make sure all my sources are correct, I have to do like a bunch of stuff, okay? But then when I make the actual content, I know what I'm talking about, why I'm talking about it, and how this whole thing works. So in reality, you kind of become like an expert. But if you're having something do legitimately all the work for you, then you're not really an expert. Like, you're just basically just like typing things in, inputting information, outputting whatever you get, making content, and that's basically it. Okay, so to me, I really wouldn't use it for that, in the sense that you use it to actually form a whole script. But here's what I would actually use it for in my case. Okay, so I would actually use chat not to make me scripts, to then make a voice AI to actually make a voice of it, okay, and then basically make videos on that. But what I would do is basically I would use chat to actually get me ideas for videos. Like, hey, chat, give me like 10 ideas on YouTube videos about money and finance or in investing, and it will actually bring up a lot of ideas, and that's actually pretty awesome for me to actually go ahead and flesh out into good solid content. So that's the only way I would actually go about using it. But overall, guys, if you made it all the way to this part of this video, the overall summary is basically, you could use chat, but chat is not perfect. So you have to know what it's talking about, so you're actually able to make sure everything is legitimate. Then you use another software to voice generate or AI generate, or what do you call that? Like, just generate a voice, okay, for that script, and you're actually able to upload those videos on YouTube. Anything bad with that? Like, for example, from a ethical and moral point of view, I don't think so, because unless you're stealing somebody's stuff, okay? But it's kind of like just like a quick way to do research. And the scary thing isn't even that it's actually able to do this stuff, but the scary thing is basically that you could have a lot of jobs be erased, in the sense that a lot of data entry jobs, I don't see them here in the next 10 years or so, okay? Any job that software can take over, it probably will. Any job that AI can take over, it probably will. But, I don't see plumbers, accountants, personality people out there losing their jobs anytime soon, okay? So that's a pretty good thing, okay? But overall, guys, thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, comment down below, chat, so I know you made it all the way to the end. And as always, peace.